So this is going to be the most delicious video that we've done yet.
Are you sure?
I'm hoping. I'm hoping it's delicious.
Okay.
Hi Nerdy Fam, I'm MJ.
And I'm Eric.
Today we are going to be looking at and trying every single edible item that we could get from the Weasley Wizard Wheezes in Diagon Alley at Universal Studios, Florida. So we are just going to try them. This is just our impressions of each of the pieces. We've had some of these. We have not had all of them. So every single edible thing they had there in the store, we bought it. And we're going to try it out today.
I'm not going to lie, I'm a little bit afraid of some of these, but it's okay.
I'm a little bit afraid of some of them too. All right. So this is one that we've had before, and it's Know Poo. And I'm trying to remember what the phrase is. That
is it on the container?
Constipation sensation that's gripping the nation. Yeah, it's on here. That's what their Know Poo is. And so we're going to see what the Know Poo tastes like. Uh-oh.
It's a lot.
I didn't want that many.
I'm going to grab like 2.
Those are like M&Ms.
They're M&Ms. They're just green M&Ms.
They're a little bit bigger than an M&M though. It was basically an M&M.
But that one I wasn't afraid of. So
I like that one now.
We're good. Okay. What does it say on it again?
The constipation sensation that's gripping the nation. I love Fred and George.
Okay. Fever Fudge.
So this is Fever Fudge. This is one of the things that also comes in the Skiving snack box. The store did not have Skiving snack boxes while we were there. We tried to buy one. They said that they were out and they were hoping within about 2 months they would get more.
Yeah. 3
of these items are in that Skiving snack box. So we're just really missing out on one item from that box. So,
that's not bad.
The Fever Fudge is one of the things in the Skiving snack box though.
Okay.
As well.
Yes, it's a vanilla fudge with jelly beans.
Vanilla fudge with jelly beans. So it is a bright blue and it has red jelly beans. So I wonder if they're going to be cherry flavored or...
I wonder if they're cinnamon.
I think they might be cinnamon because I can kind of smell these right here.
They're cinnamon.
That's cinnamon. That's really good though.
Mm-hmm.
It's like vanilla fudge with a hot tamale. I like that. The next item I'm going to pick is the Love Potion. And you see Hermione and Ginny looking at these at the store. And then I think this is the same one. It's a Weasley Wizard Wheezes one that Romilda Vane uses to try to get Harry. He ends up getting Ron instead.
So when we bought this in the store, the staff in the store made sure to tell us that like 1 to 2 drops max.
1 to 2 drops.
I think anything over that might be, overpowering the love, but we'll see.
I'm kind of nervous about this one.
Uh-oh.
It smells floral, like roses or other kind of flower.
You're first.
I'm really nervous. I don't really like floral flavors. I know some people do, like in their tea and stuff, and I don't particularly like them. It wasn't too bad.
Okay.
It's kind of like a little bit of a rose flavor, but it's not overpowering. It smells much more overpowering than it tastes.
It's not a liquid. It's
it's like kind of like liquid sugar.
Yeah, almost like a honey. Maybe a little bit
syrup.
more. Yeah, syrup.
Syrup style. So I ended up not being too bad.
Not too bad.
It smelled a lot stronger than it tasted.
I feel like I'm going to keep pushing off the one I'm afraid of to lace. So we're going to do the jumping snakes.
Jumping snakes.
Which this one, they look like...
They look like peppermints.
Yeah, look like they just are peppermint sticks.
It smells like peppermint.
Here.
All right. You ready?
Yep.
It's peppermint.
It's a candy cane.
That fancy packaging says jumping snakes.
Not gonna lie, I'm a little disappointed. I was hoping when we opened it there was gonna be like a spring-loaded snake or something.
A spring-loaded snake?
Why not? That way it like shoots up.
Or Pop Rocks or something. Make you think there's something in your mouth. It's not too bad. So our next one is the Fainting Fancies. And this is one of the ones that comes in the skiving snack box that you can get. But we bought this one by itself, and it says orange and lemon fruit gummies. And based on the coloring of the gummy, it looks like the orange, yeah, half of it's orange and half of it is going to be the lemon.
Okay.
So I'm going to have to take a bite out of the middle. It was definitely a gummy. I could not get that off. Pretty good though.
Yeah, no.
Tastes like orange and lemon.
And which one was this again? Fainting?
Fainting Fancies. So you should faint in the middle of class after finishing.
This is the one that I've kind of been a little nervous about, but it's the puking pastels.
And it says hard-boiled sweets.
And so the sweets themselves are actually...
It's like a hard candy.
Let's take that one. It's a purple and a green. So...
I'm going to try the green side. It tastes kind of appley. What's the purple side?
It's kind of the same flavor.
It's not bad. This is really big.
Yeah.
To be a hard candy. Like, I have a fairly small mouth, and I don't think I would have a difficult time sucking on this for a long time. I would have to hold it like this in order to do something.
Definitely something that I don't know is right for, like, little kids. I think there would be a lot of sticky fingers.
Yeah.
That one I was more afraid of than I should have been.
And that was one of the ones that's in the skiving snack box as well. And our last one is an edible dark mark. So I'm assuming they did this just to make fun of Voldemort. I don't have it all the way off, but it's a little red dark mark. So I'm going to assume this is like cherry flavored since it's a lollipop and it's red.
Surprise, cinnamon.
It's cherry flavored.
Okay. I figure it's just a sucker.
Mm-hmm. So it's just a cherry flavored lollipop that's shaped like a dark mark. It's pretty cute though. So which one of the treats from Weasley Wizard Wheezes is your favorite?
If I was just to be just like snacking on something, I would say like the Know Poo, just because it's M&M's. But I really, the puking pastels or the jumping snakes.
Okay. I think my favorite is the Fever Fudge. I really like the cinnamon jelly beans in it. It's different. Whereas like the Know Poo, it's just M&M's. The jumping snakes is just peppermint sticks. Whereas this is actually something really different with the cinnamon and the vanilla. I like the colors on it. It's bright, it's festive. I think the Fever Fudge is my favorite. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and the subscribe button so that you are notified every time we post new videos. Stay tasty, my friends.